Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use text extractor feature from Snipping Tool in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the new feature from Snipping Tool. Wait, let me open the Snipping Tool. Okay, usually I'm using the print screen button to open up the features from Snipping Tool, and this is the text extractor feature. So you can extract text from your computer using this feature, guys. I'm going to tap on that and wait. Let me close it first, guys. I'm going to open up my WPS. Okay, I'm going to extract text from this part. Okay, we can select the part like this, and the text will be copied. Okay, and you can click on copy all text, and now the text has been copied, and then you can use it. You can apply it to a picture, and it will be so helpful if you want to extract text from a PDF or a picture. So don't forget to use the text extractor from Snipping Tool. Okay guys, and that's how you can extract text quickly using the text extractor feature in Snipping Tool Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.